Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Papercrafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to make a charm. And I wanted to use some things. First of all, I do want to use a lobster claw. I'm going to use this big one, so it's easier to put on different items. I'm going to use these little... Can't see for crap. I gotta take my glasses off, you guys. I bought these just little pieces of chain, so I want to use those. So I think I'm going to use, I don't know. I think I really only want to use one. I want to just, I don't know. We will see how we go. A jump ring. Where is my tool? It's not in here where it's supposed to be. I just used it the other day and it's not in here. Awesome. Well, I know where it is. I remember seeing it. It's in my kid's room. I don't know why he was down here in my stuff. But I'm not going up to get it, but I am going to yell at him when he gets home. So we're just going to have to use our fingers. Fun. Frickin' kid. Frickin' kid. Alright. So we have our chain attached. Look, I have this little... This is a mini brand, you guys. So... the boyfriend, when he worked at Target, when they throw the mini brands away, the boxes, there's always like display ones inside the boxes. He would grab me the display ones because they would just go in the garbage. So he would give them away to little kids that he saw on the floor, or bring them home to me. So we're just gonna add this cute little hat. I'm gonna add it at the bottom because it's very big. Look how cute that is. This is going to go on my February journal. Now, I already made my February journal yesterday. And I was planning on doing a different video for my last video of the month, but honestly, I don't feel like doing much today. So then this is the clay charm, the clay little charms that I made. Okay. So it says bundle up, and then we have the little hat. The hat is so cute. Okay. Also, another mini brand. Look at this little makeup palette. Isn't it cute? I just used my, oh, let me pull the glue off the back. I just used my Crocodile and punched a hole through the plastic with my Crocodile. And it punched easily through and didn't break the plastic. But we are going to pull the glue off. I think it was last year he brought me just a box of all kinds of empty mini brands things. There was like Harry Potter, there were the Reebok, it came with a hat and some shoes, there was one of like Target items. So I have all kinds of little mini brands. Okay. All right, and hopefully I can get a ring through this hole. I didn't think when I punched the hole, I just punched the hole. It's not going to be big enough, but I'm just going to have to double ring it, you guys. That's fine, right? Oh, it might be big enough. these like so. Look how cute that is. And then I also have a tassel. I have these little chocolates. I mean, it is for February, so I'm gonna put that right here. Okay. Look at it, it's so cute. And then a tassel. Let's do a pink. Actually, we have blue, we have pink. Let's do like yellow. Give it another little pop of color. Okay. So really, you can put whatever you want. As you can see, they don't even have to be charms. The only thing is, I want to get like one of those little hand drills for in my craft room, which I guess I should have, like, it's currently December. I should have asked for one of those for Christmas, I guess. Because I have other mini brands that I want to use, but I have to drill like a hole in the top to add. So we have that, like so. I also have these star buttons, but I don't know, once again, if I can put the jump ring through it. I need to look. I need to go to Michael's and find bigger jump rings. Yeah, this is not going to go through. And I cannot. I wonder if, what if we tie it up like it's being sewn on. This was some twine I did find at Ollie's on one of my many trips to Ollie's. I did go to Ollie's. They still have craft stuff at my 2 local Ollie's, but there was nothing new. They haven't gotten anything new, so. Let's use the purple. Put it through, hopefully. I don't know what happened to my my bead threader. I had one. I don't know what happened to it. I haven't seen it in a really long time. I should have just used thread for this, but I did not, and I don't think this is going to work. It's not going to go through these holes. These holes are not, this is not made to go through these holes. So, this is a no-go, because I don't know what else to do. But I still feel like it needs more. I want it to be super filled, right? Super filled. So this is my drawer of crap. Let's see what we got in here. See what I mean? Like, if you want to use that, I want to be able to have to put a hole in the top. There's baking tray. Look, I even have McDonald's Crocs. A sneaker, a Skechers sneaker. Sub. Reeboks. A KitchenAid mixer box. Hot dogs. A microwave. Because you never know when you're going to need that, right? Another crock. There's popsicles. Why don't we use a popsicle? There's more makeup, but that's one that I got to put a... There's a Target basket. That's so big. Icing. Stickers. So much. I'll also put these away. And see what else we have somewhere else. Okay. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna go with one of these popsicles because I really can't find anything else. Let's do the blue and pink. And then I guess that's it. I need to stock up on a bunch of other stuff. I want to, so you're seeing this in 2026. In 2026, I'm on a no buy. But I'm filming it. I'm filming this in 2025. So technically, I could still go on Temu and buy a bunch of charms. And I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, but here we go. I still think it's cute. Like, I wanted it to be more filled, but it's not going to be at the rate we're going. We don't have enough stuff. We don't have enough stuff, but what we have is super cute. So the makeup, the popsicle, the bundle up, the little tassel, the chocolate, and the pink little hat. So you'll get a sneak peek of my February journal so I can attach that. I think I need smaller rings, but by the time, guys, we all know, by the time I am done, I could also put a hole up here. I might do that for permanent when I'm done in February with this journal. But we all know by the time I am done, this will be full, this journal. But it's so cute. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.